Hey bestie, welcome back to my channel, girl. If you're new here, my name is Ashton. I do lifestyle, beauty, and perfume content. But for the returning bestie, hey girl, what's that bestie? Welcome to girl. We are doing my full gable talk. Now this is like for like my younger gays, like my feminine gays like me. Tell you like what's up, like what's tea, like do these tips. I got you, girl. Now bestie, I came out as gay back in 2020, so this November it'll be 5 years, and I was an openly feminine gay because I just love myself. I never been ashamed. My whole public high school knew, my teachers knew. I did not care, girl. So, and here is some tips I learned. So basically, first off, girl, gay boys to like gay boy, I'm looking you directly in your eye, girl. Please leave these. Everyone say this. Be careful with your deals. I was gonna say deal alone, but everyone like, girl, your first deal experience, girl, is fun. I had 4 DLs, girl. Ain't gonna lie to you, girl. It was fun, but girl, please be careful, girl. These DLs are crazy, girl. And if they find out that you're telling people about them liking boys, girl, they will hurt you. Like my like vision board is above my like venti desk, girl. And also, how do y'all like this new light setup, y'all? I've been filming like my past like videos here, girl, and I love this setup, y'all. I'm on my floor, y'all. I got like both my tripods, y'all, cause it's like a very rainy and gloomy day, girl, which I hate. It's gonna rain all day, but we doing, girl. So I got both the ring lights on, so I'm hoping like the light is kind of good, girl. I'm gonna bring my ring light down a little bit more so it can have more good lighting. Okay, perfect. Okay, perfect. So like the lighting got a little bit more better, girl. Anyway, so yeah, just be careful, girl. I've had some crazy DLs experience, y'all. Long story short, girl, he was slow. So he went and posted on his story about us doing something, and then he got mad at me. So that's another thing, girl. Be careful with these slow DLs, girl. Like you would think I'm joking, girl. Please be like them slow DLs. That's not right. That's not right. Please leave them alone, girl. But please be careful like with them like DLs, girl. Like ain't gonna lie to you, girl. It be fun, girl. But I don't mess with DLs like no more, girl. For one, girl, know your worth. Like you is way too pretty, way too fine, way too of a baddie to be kept in your seat. Like you should have you a loving care man who want to show you out, like who will say like, yeah, like that's my boyfriend, he's cute, and that's my girl. So please know your worth, girl. I ain't gonna lie. At first I was gonna say don't talk to like deals, girl, but everybody have to experience a like deal at once. So like you learn, like I take every L, I take every life lesson, every mistake as like a learning experience. Like you like gotta be able to learn. Like I learned from all my DLs to learn. Like I'm too fine, I'm way too pretty, and I'm just that girl to be kept like a secret. Like look at me, like a girl faces T, body T, because she's super thick and she's super pretty. And I know my worth. I would never settle, girl. So just like know your worth, girl, and be careful, y'all. I'm gonna bring this ring light down so we can have more good lighting, girl. So yeah, please, just girl, yes, know your words, girl. If you're gonna talk to a DL, girl, just be careful and be safe, girl. Do not catch feelings. That's the worst thing, girl. Do not catch feelings, girl. These DLs is like a science experiment. Like they're in like a science lab inside their brain. They're testing out like, oh, like don't get attached, girl. I got attached to this DL. And I can even call him DL because he didn't even know what he wanted, girl. But I got attached to him. I was catching feelings for him. That's the worst, dumbest thing you can do. But I'm glad I went through it. Like I thank him to like and I would thank him to this day, girl. Cause like if I didn't go through that, girl, I could not be putting my younger besties on. Cause I love my besties. I love like my younger gays. I love my younger girls cause like I'm older now. And I went through like the whole like deal thing, so I can teach you. So girl, please don't catch like feelings, girl. Like if he texts you, text him. He try to link you and like don't be up here and he's right here, and like don't meet him up here and he's like here. Like meet him halfway. Like meet him like the same. Like if he's here, be here. Like be just a little bit like. Play your role, girly. Now enough of like you know DLs. For like my younger gay girl, be careful with them messy friendships, y'all. I've had my fair share with my friendships. I have had a lot of messy, crazy friends and friendships, girl, and they're all cut. Thank God I found my friend group. Y'all know my friends. Y'all have seen them across TikTok, Instagram, YouTube. Y'all have seen my friends, and they're like not messy. They're a little wild like me, but like we stay out of trouble. We got goals. I work, content, they work. Like we all, it's just that girl. So please be careful with like the messy like friendships, girl. I have had my fair share, girl. And please, girl, do not go telling everybody your business. In ninth grade year, my first month of high school, I made a mistake of telling the missus girl about this guy that is DL. Because I learned that from my ex-best friend, because her cousin. I went back and told her the whole school knew, and he got mad at me. So, long story short, girl, be careful of who you so-called your best friend is, girl. Like, don't just tell them everything. Like, unless you know them for like a good little 3 or 4 years, girl, do not go around like a girl you just met. Do not go tell her everything. Tell her enough, but don't just go to like telling her everything, girl. Please do not do that, girl. I've seen it. I've had, and I can name drop because like they don't watch my videos, but India, Blue, Jemiah, Zion, Kiriana, the other girl. I've had 6 messy people around me, girl, and when you have messy people around you, y'all, you will be exposed to a messy environment. So like right now, my friends, we good, we got goals, we work, we hold ourselves like a high standard, and my life is a high standard and it's a good life. So it's all about the people you hang around, girl. Do not be hanging around with like the messy people, girl. Please don't, bestie. Like y'all know, as us film gays, we get along more of like the girls, like like boys talking, shopping, girly things, iced coffee. Y'all know, y'all know the vibes. But just be careful on your so-called friend, girl. Tip number 3, girl. If you don't have a straight friend, girl, do not get filled. This kind of ties up to my like DLs. That I have had 2 straight friends. Now I say I had because I don't talk to them. In 2022 and 2023, I was kind of going through like a tough time. Like a lot was going on, so I just like could distance myself from like everybody, girl. And we don't talk now. We're not on no bad terms. I wish them this. I doubt if they see my video, but Paxton, wish you the best, girl. Big K, Kamar, I wish you the best, girl. Those were my straight homeboys, and like I could talk to them about anything, and they don't care. Like I'm gonna tell you, girl, straight men that get offended or don't like being around gay boys, those be the main ones that be insecure about themselves, and they know they like boys deep down, but they don't. But society say, oh, liking boys is wrong, which God loves everybody. God and Jesus love everybody. Don't let no one say, oh, you're going to there. Like, girl, no. God and Jesus love everybody, y'all. Y'all know I pray every morning. And God and Jesus love everybody. And men who are insecure around, and men who feel some type of way about it. Like, I knew this boy, y'all. And he would be so, like, I can be walking past him. And he just feels so, like, ew about me being gay. And those be the main ones that be, down low, girl. Those be the main ones that be deep DL, girl. So, if a guy, like, literally, I can be walking by him by the hallway, and he gets so offended, girl. Those be the ones that be DL. But back to, like, the straight friends, girl. Don't let your friends think you that, oh, he might look like you. Now, my straight friends, y'all, one of my cousin did say, like, that he thought like he was kind of like down low, girl, but I didn't get that vibe, y'all, and they was just straight. Like, don't like, and another thing, girl, everybody's not down low, girl. Some of them be, but everybody's not DL, girl. Like, some men are just confident in their sex, right? Like, men who don't feel ashamed by having a gay friend are the ones that be straight. The ones that do be DL, but the ones who are very confident in their self, they know what they like. Those be the straight ones. Like, my, like, straight friend, I tell them about, like, my 9th grade year was, like, a wild year, y'all. Like, them guys was texting some very crazy stories. I cannot say it until I'm 18, because my parents watches my video, my family watches my video. I love y'all damn. I cannot say that, but at 18, I can tell y'all, but it was very spicy. It was very not PG-13, and I could tell them about it, and they did not care. Like, they gave me advice sometimes, and they didn't care. Like, this, like, they, like, y'all, like, I'm gay, but, like, I'm, like, a very cool person. Like, I'm like a ride or die friend. Like, you like need something, I got you. Like you want to go riding and shopping, bet. Like, like you like want to go see if like your girlfriend or man is cheating, bet. I'm down for it. I'm like the coolest person you'll ever meet. I'm like the coolest and nicest person. Like, you can ask all my best friends, y'all. I'm like the nicest, coolest, down to earth person you'll ever meet. Like literally, not. Listen, everybody needs a friend like me, but everybody don't deserve a friend like me. And basically, if you're like me, like you're like a very nice person, like you look out for everybody. Know your worth and protect your peace. Like, don't hang around anybody that absorbs you, cause like your time and like your energy is not free. And no, so just know your worth, girl. And if you're like me, girl, stay down. Like, I've been through a lot of stuff, y'all. Y'all know, like, a girl tried to get me jumped. I've been set up. A lot of people have used me, and I'm bouncing back, y'all. Like what, like Megan say, cross me, like she say, like, cross me, I don't care, I'm still blessed. That part, like, I've been through a lot of stuff, y'all. Like, I like when people like do like me wrong, girl, I be sad and I cry because I'm like the nicest person ever. And when people like did me wrong, I would cry. But what like make us say cross me, I'm still blessed, I'm still blessed. Like, well, they're not to brag, but what other 17-year-old got their dream job being a full-time content creator, girl, brand, send me stuff, I'm on some huge brand PR list, I have my dream car outside. Like, what other teenager you know is doing it like me? And all them people that did me wrong, I'm all the way up here and they all the way down there. So just know your worth, girl. And with the straight friends, girl, have some straight friends, don't catch feelings and don't think they're straight. Like a lot of gays, they say they want like some like straight friends, but like they quit to say, oh, they're gay. And have some boundaries. Like, have some boundaries, like, with your like straight friends. Like, set some boundaries, girl. Like, don't just be touching on it out. If he asks you, hey, can you like tie my tie? Don't be don't be weird with it. Like, just tie his tie. Like, don't over sexualize it. It's not being delusional. I went through my high phase in 7th grade, so that's why I'm talking about like delusional number, girl. But stop being delusional. Just because a man say hey to y'all or give y'all a little attention, don't mean he's the young gay. He's just being nice. Calm down. So that's that, girl. Another tip is, girl, just have fun. Like, a lot of gays, they be kind of sad and stuff because like a man will take some back, girl. Have fun and live life, girl. And back to like the whole like friend thing, girl. Y'all know from April all the way to July. So April, May, June, July. 3 months, y'all, I did not have no friends, no nothing. I enjoyed my own personal time. And if you can't enjoy your own like me time, you're not gonna be like able to like handle having friends. Because if your friends are busy or like out of town with like their family or like at work, you're not gonna learn how to enjoy your own time. Like, don't think you have to be so like surrounded by somebody. Like, bestie, before I had like my friends, I would go shopping by myself. I had like, y'all know I remember I gotta do another like solo vlog, y'all. Y'all have been asking me about. I was like, I'm gonna do another like I promise, baby, I'm gonna do another like solo vlog, girl. I promise, girl, cause like the last solo vlog, it was like back in August. Y'all, I went shopping by myself. I ate by myself. Like, I just had such a fun day by myself. Like, I enjoy my own time. Like, don't get me wrong, I love like being around like my like friends, you know, hanging out, being wild, being crazy. But I also enjoy like my own personal time as well, girl. So learn how to enjoy your own time as well, girl. Like, learn how to learn how to enjoy your own time, girl. That's like what I'm saying. And don't just be like, basically, like when I was in high school, girl, like all of my friends were girls, and now like most of my friends are guys. Like Malachi, a guy, Caleb, he's my cousin, but he's like he's also like my best friend. So he's a guy. Keelan, JD, like they're all guys. And we just get along so good. And now I will say, y'all, find your people. Like, with friends, girly, don't try to fit in. Basically, I never been that type to like try to like fit in like with like the crowd, where that has never been me and never will be. Like, let your friends come to you. Like, when I was going through like my like isolation phase with like God and Jesus, on the girls who pray no, and my friends just came to like a girl that I've not talked to since like 2 years ago, almost 3. We started back talking, and because we both matured and grown up. Like, I'm not trying to be funny, girl, but don't hang around people who are not well-rounded, who just love to like just drama, and don't like like, my friend found me, like, she found me, like, I was literally, I remember like it was last night. I was outside helping my mama with like the groceries, and she just came and started, she just came and started, like, talking to me, girl, and we better than ever, best friends. Same with Malachi. I met him the first time, like, back in September, and we just clicked, just like that. And he's like one of my best friends. When, like, he needs something, I'm there for him. If I need to talk to someone, he's there for me. Like all my friends, like, are there for me. I'm there for them. Same with Keelan and with Caleb and JD. They're all there for each other. Like, girl, like, don't think you're too good to be around certain people. Like, my friends, we're wild, we're geeky, we're nerdy-ish, we're wild, we're fun. Like, we're just everything. We all mix. Like, y'all know, I'm gonna like tell y'all it bounces out. Like, y'all, I'm like the wild person out the group. I'm like the very wild, like, YOLO, like, let's do, like my favorite saying is, you live life once, and you gotta have fun. And I still about to say, like, girl, try something new, like YOLO, like we ball. And some such, like, the wild one out the group bounce. Like my big friend Keelan, he's like nice as me, but he's more quiet and chill. And we get along, so like we get along, like we get along, like having having greens at Thanksgiving. Like, you gotta have some greens at Thanksgiving. And we just we get along so good. Same with Malachi. Like, he's more like, I'm like a computer nerd, and here I'm wild. He's chilling wild, and we just get along so good. Same with, like, my cousin Caleb. Like, he's wild like me, but no one is not as wild as me. Like, my best friends know I say a lot of wild, out pocket stuff, and they know, like, I'm just like, and we all just get along so good, including my best friend T. Like, she's like wild, but she's more like laid back and chill. We just get along so good, girl. So just know, girl, that you will find your group of friends soon. Like group of friends until 2 years, in 2022. I don't talk no more, but like my friends, like, I made last year in 2024, girl. Bestest of friends ever, girl. So just know, girl, that you will find your friends soon, girl. Don't give up. And another tip until like my gay boys, pray, girl. Like, y'all know, if you've been here for like a long time, like if you've been here since like 8th grade year, I've been through a lot, y'all. People have tried to use me, set me up, have mentally abused me and hurt my feelings, physically abused me. And besties, 2 years later, 5 years later, I'm way more happier. I'm way more happier and healthier. I got my dream job. I'm happy and healthy. I'm close to God and Jesus. I'm close to my family. I'm close to my friends. Like, my life has got so much more better because I've prayed, y'all. Like, not to sound like a preacher, y'all. I pray every morning and every night. I read my Bible, y'all, every morning, y'all. Like, right now, I'm on Palms, y'all. Like, that's like my Bible, y'all. I read it every morning and every night. So just pray to God, Jesus. Like, how I pray, y'all, like, I pray to God and Jesus like they're like my best friends. Like, I'm sitting like directly in front of them. I'm just like talking to them, and they are helping y'all so much. Like, y'all, like the week before last, y'all, not last week, but the week before last, y'all, it was kind of like a trouble week. Like, the devil was really trying to attack me, like very, like, a lot. Like, I was not like feeling myself, y'all. And I got into my word. I got into my prayer. Way more happy and healthy. Like, last week and this week is going so amazing. Last week was the amazing week. This week is already being an amazing week, girl. So just, girl, like what I'm saying, girl, pray to God, Jesus. Like, yeah, if you're sad, talk to like your friends about it too, but talk to God and Jesus about it, because they can help you way more, girl. I'm like a walking testimony of that. Like, 2020, y'all, I was like the worst. I was so sad, depressed. 9th grade year, 2022, the worst year of my life, but I learned a lot. It was a lot, but now I'm way more happy and healthy. Like, if I didn't go through all that stuff, y'all, I would not be here today. Like, now I can help like my besties out, my family out, even my friends out, y'all. Like, I'm just like so proud of God and Jesus. Like, without them, y'all, I would probably not be here. I'll probably in a very dark spot, y'all. But y'all, those are my tips for like my younger girls and gays. I hope this video helped y'all. If it did, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the bell so you'll be what? Exactly, huh? So you'll be notified every time your girlie posts a new video. And bestie, I love you so much, girl. And until next time, bye, bestie.